Yeah guys, welcome back. If it's the first time to this channel, please to subscribe. Subscribe is free. Share, like, leave a comment. You see the movie? I want to know watch it. No. Anyway guys, I have a problem. I know so no want enough movie from me and you love me for a longer time and I love you too. But here what I go on now. You see the real ones them where they around me? Me have to use them phone for shoot. And some of the time they have for them things to deal with. More when them a deal with for them things, me a deal with my thing too. You understand? So to all of my dear fans them out there, if you can sponsor me so money, when me get one iPhone, I would appreciate it. So guys, watch out the intro, you know. Remember, when you want a whole heap of movie from me, so just do right for the girl Pinky and make it possible. Just watch the movie. Yeah. It bad. I'm out.
103 Al. Yeah, that guy have a white baseball cap on. Not at the time. But they said they both say mid-20s, kind of light blonde hair, light brown hair. We had him on deck. Looks like
where you forward from?
Up on the road there, dog.
Tired still have top straight in the dog, you know, see a place I run.
Straight. The boy
Can't
jump
go
up and I
everywhere,
get there
dog.
and get in, man. So I never left two of them.
How this I come? Watch your road now.
Good man, the taxi that man.
You sure? Where you so
that,
sure?
man. Come in
Where
home.
your thing there?
I'm to your dog. See them, my daddy.
Brother, say no keep in your hand, bad man.
Keep
How
in
I'm
one. Them good man.
Can't go with them little boy, you know. Yo!
I'm to your daddy.
Oh.
Easy yourself, man. In good man.
No trust certain people in the dog. So I made see there.
No, tell me now. Tell no food can't get them today.
You hungry already?
Long every day me hungry,
What
daddy.
kind of soldier you be, brother? Yo,
Every day
what
me
soldier
hungry,
you
daddy.
weak, you out?
You shouldn't hungry me I talk about.
Hope I right one, you know. Well, sir, if you come flick about.
Come like, me hungry for a morning, daddy. Watch out, me frost all one dash with daddy. Yo. Listen, I watch up.
Yo. One girl in town, you know. And Pinky, you know. Extortion in the day, you know.
Anything, man. Anything, daddy, because I know badness come down now, man.
Yeah, I seen him go get something, man. We can cook some food, man. I know we kill a belly, them can't empty, you know. Remember, so them a belly are full, you know.
Oh, God almighty. Dog belly them ever full. I'm taking them if eat to sometime.
That's how it's what my dog. Watch your road, just eat. See, I am cook a pot in the day.
I mean,
How
I'm ready.
See time.
I look on time, daddy time. I'm taking my look on time.
Yo, cool, no bad man, I'm tea bad man. Relax,
If you look
man.
on our time, daddy, man. Run a step.
See, I make you step. You make you step.
Come on, man.
Who want you to come on? Me ain't not gonna know where bad man. You have to be on easy back, so either you go get the things them from the girl and come back and cook it pot.
Oh, yeah, cook. Tell me how you cook.
You know must know,
walking
brother, you're a
dog,
chef,
yo.
bad man, I'm tea, brother.
You know, cooking, daddy.
What you mean you not cook? How you not boy, yeah, man?
Daddy, watch out.
What you mean you not cook?
Me force him collect down one burger and some style, my friend, man. Believe.
What me has it done to eat?
Joke, man. I don't say serious, man. Tell me what going on.
Half a joke can't make boy, I'm tea.
Easy,
Better go down like girl, go get some seasoning, go get some Irish and carrot. Meat over the pan fridge and rice today. Just get the seasoning them and come back a foot.
Regularly, active.
I'm tea. So. We will trust you so that we know. Lift up fire so.
My brother suppose don't just cuss me now, you know.
Where you there? I don't think you're gone.
You didn't bury me there, babes.
So you tell me say you go on the road for a morning.
Work.
So you move so slow. I don't think you're gone already, man.
So what make you go on so?
No, because you don't tell me say you go on the road for a morning. I don't think I come back so come see you. Where your brother then down there?
Why you go on so?
Come just come off the road right now, you know. You see me? Right now I just fall to see me I come build back.
Listen, take it up off of my bed. Take it.
Yo, easy
Take it
yourself.
up off of my bed.
Easy yourself. A road there, I go see you go up on the road and mind your own business. I hear me I say you now. You say you go up on the road while you're there at work, you just want you watch your head back same way.
Come to watch me head back for.
Remember say me hot in the street and people know say me you're there. I mean I want to murder a boy for you. So just watch your head back. If any boy look on you too tough down there, you call me phone. Me your man and me there for you.
Me ask you one question. You can't put on there something there.
Me can't put it down.
So as
If me asleep, me have to have it. Now make nobody run in come do me nothing.
So as I live my life.
I know so you go far to
When
live
they
your life.
can't catch quack or they catch you shot.
It's so messy, man. Just watch out to your eye them. When they at work, watch out to your eye. Any funny move
No,
you
no,
call
but
me.
it come like say you know want me to talk. You feel like such you have that I'm afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you none time. Listen. Watch out.
Where you say a while ago? Call me and say, remember who you talk to. And then your girlfriend them you talk to, your man you chat to. Easy yourself.
Listen.
You say you go to work,
Let go my
just
hand.
go to work and do
Let go my hand and listen. Just listen now, listen.
Like
I want to call you. I get a call you.
Call a general, them call me, you know. What you say? What you say?
Who name so?
What you say? What you
Who
say?
name Sandra?
Me say what you
Oh,
say?
general. Me say who name Sandra?
Yo,
That
let go
matter.
off, yo, let go off my bag. Where you? Let go off my bag.
Who name
Let go off my
Sandra? You
bag.
think you must feel like I'm afraid of you? Who name Sandra?
I want to be general woman, man. That's something what
And listen to her, this me make you know. You see, not because you pick me up as a nice person, I feel like say, me not sick in my head. Me sick in my head. I hear that I left certain things. So now come wall up no gun for me. Right.
Just remember
Stop
me
now,
tell you,
stop,
say,
listen, stop.
Remember me tell you, say, if anybody look for you too tough, you call me. Come here, man. I'm also. Later, here. Yo, you know, so you don't learn the youth. Me tell you, say me a father me a day, still a call me, make my woman say you call me. Sanjay, you need for billion a youth. Brother, me tell you, say me yard, me a go, me tell you, say my woman goodly they at work. And me come and me not even know, say she dey a yard, youth. Yo, me so can link you, Virgin. Me dey on my block for count daily. Yo, where you say God?
Look how long I call her, brother.
Who you talk to, sir?
You call the phone and I pick up.
I ask you for who you talk to, sir.
I know myself, me talk.
Yo, I tell you this. Know who you deal with. Don't pass the place with me. You hear me? I tell you. If you there around my woman, don't call my phone. You know your time when to call, so don't pass the place. You hear me? I tell you. And don't make me have to box off your face with this. What you say there on an idea? The nigga call you to pick up your money yet?
You know, say me go left your door.
Yo, when I talk to me, lower your tone. I say if a nigga call us, pick up your money.
No.
So when they depend, make
I
you
don't
know
know.
say I don't play time right now, you know. Because from when no money no going in my pocket right now, you know. So you have to link him back and know say yo, I want the money because I want to deal with something. And my woman there yard. Food for there in the house also.
So that's how you deal with me, sir?
And that's why I deal with this about you pass your place, you need to know your place. Because you talk to me certain way, you know me no place, sir. Not even my woman in my yard not talk to me, sir. So how you go do that?
Me not business for your woman in the yard.
Have respect.
Me not say nothing because me go left you. Me I go left
And
you.
that, if you bad, try that.
Me.
Hear me I say, just make your nigga know say I want the money. So just do a call and link me back. You hear me I say?
What do this? I truly love me boy, no. Me can't bother him.
Brother! I know our brother gone and the place open up so. Yo, I don't like brother style, you know. Watch out. Babes.
Oh God.
Nothing.
So pass show me and make you know if everything good down here.
No good man. Babes, listen now. A business space again, you can't take.
No, but you know say it's straight hatted me already, so I have to watch my head but I can't let it kill it. So
Aye,
your
so-
brother there.
You don't know when gonna like him gonna deal with something, but what I'm telling you now.
Right now some business me I sort out, you know. So I go extra busy today, you know. Around what time I feel like I come from work today.
I'm not sure. It depends. It depends on how the day go. So, I can't give you one time.
Alright, but you not come home for now though.
No, sir, I'm not coming for now.
Alright, so
I'm not feel
you
something.
dep on the road I deal with some transaction and then I go back a yard and deal with something again and then go back on the road. So on the road me there now, so I just send me that far the side and check if you're good. Make sure you're great, yeah?
Alright.
Later.
Later. See you, Lord. 4 bills a pound for Irish. Onion, sweet pepper. All heap of things there. Come in. Mummy, I want something. Alright. Why? Couldn't look good at all.
Yo, Virgin, you know say you sabotage my badness though, you. What you mean? From when the girl forget the money, cause right now I go link her on the road and now I not get the money. So what go on? Virgin, hear me I say, just make Sanja get the money ASAP here. Okay, now we take this to the next level. From 2 days ago I forget my money and now I not get it. And I give you some time, so don't make it day done and I not get the money here. Cause right now food for there in my house.
Minnie, wake up, man. Lord Jesus, what going on with you?
Uncle, what go on?
I'm there. I realize it things still look up and running.
Yeah.
But you need to wash them. You see all them one where dust up, cause the place dusty. You have to wash them off.
Uncle, imagine.
You understand?
Listen, imagine. Brother reach her before me. And he could just do the right thing.
And that I think within you as a blame brother. Take responsibility and stop going like say brother this and brother that. You can't wait for brother to do what you need to do. You know how him see already and film lifestyle. And him fully when he ready. And you can't be like that. That's why I give this place to you. You understand me I said to you?
Remember some of your brother.
You
know, say,
understand me I said to you? Me no business about favor.
Listen. Uncle. God not seen them if they.
Competition.
Eh?
Competition. So you have to make sure say over here so clean and up to date. Is everything nice? You have to keep it that way again. You hear me say?
Yes, uncle, me hear me say. What going with the different they do?
That me go ask you. Because I really want to know say yeah back out of certain things. Because this is a place I'm left for you. And make sure say you have it. I want you to keep it up 24/7. And about the chant psalm business and feel like a chant psalm alone can keep thing in your palm. You understand me I say?
Uncle, me I do you right. You know, see me just there.
Let's
I
see if no
try.
Bible around there.
Uncle, I just that with there, you know. I just
Oh.
that with there. Just ever they come with your foolishness
Me
them.
just no want
And your
no
dramatic
say,
lifestyle.
we just no want no say yeah mix certain things. You understand? Cause so right now I be them things that are going and I don't want no say that are going on that place.
Uncle, this year what go on. Right now, is this kind of slow to you know.
I mean this is kinda slow.
From me come out, you know, make nothing at all.
Because you now walk out and say seal. You can't sit down here and expect if you come to you.
Who tells me now
How
walk out
money
and
see
say,
you think money just come to you so? You have to go out and say, miss you want this, you want that.
look how
But
much,
teacher, you know.
look how much style you see so. If people then choose which style they want to choose.
Yes, but if they see you, customer service is better. If you come now and smile and you talk to certain people, who you think go buy from?
You know, say ever they come in
Who
a
you
dramatic.
think then go buy from?
You know, say that with your uncle, me no want to be disrespectful, but sometimes I talk too much. How you know, say me not sell up on the goods them over here, so.
That thing with you. You now learn is one thing. You see, when you sleep, you miss. And if you miss, you now get what you forget, which is your business. Me come here and see her sleep. Me never see her sleep. I never miss it.
Why?
Eh?
Uncle, you can't come with some foolishness.
I
boy,
lie
you know.
me, I tell her that.
Me never sleep. Me a doze off.
Why difference?
Doze off and sleep are two different things. Because when you need sleep, you don't know what
Where
going
your
on.
brother? Where your brother? Where your brother there?
Me don't know when gone.
Call him from the phone then, no?
Give me not no credit. Give me a call.
Give me his call. Me left my phone, you know, because my phone have a charge full for tonight. So, you really are telling me say you have your business and you can't even come out to the road. You can't make a phone call. Eh?
Listen to me. I come here to criticize me.
Me not come up for criticize.
I come here to criticize me, uncle.
Principle or principle. You understand me? I say, and if you don't really want to forget, yo, I trust you, you know. I trust you if you do this.
No.
Me not trust your brother if you run this
Listen.
guy, you hear me out.
Listen.
You understand me? I say?
Listen now. Stop come at me, brother. Just stop it, uncle. You not like him or something?
Ah, hear me, I go do. I go in the car and I go piss when I batch, man. Come, I soon fall. Yeah? If he fall before me, just make sure I stay. I have to piss.
I must feel like that you give me and brother the business of run and feel like you can come style with. Who your man or somebody? See you, Lord! Oh, sugar boy,
Yeah,
the man.
man. Me flushing everything, yeah. Everything
Watching.
flush off, man. Yeah, man, you know, I got somewhere, man. Watch out.
Sugar boy,
Eh?
you know something I like a style.
What?
How you feel if you style up and up so?
So,
Bro.
I can't go bathroom.
So long!
I curry me last night, you know, man. What do you mean so long? I curry me
Listen
last
to
night,
me.
my friend. I have to pull out the rest side.
Sugar boy,
Hmm?
uncle come here and I scandalize a name. Oh,
Oh.
you're a thief. I'm not feel left around and so.
But me what?
Thief, I have no ambition. One bag of some up, in go run the road to come back.
Send me a thief.
Yes.
Hold on.
And in the box, like I said, chewing give you business for run in my box in our face.
Uncle no easy. Him easy. Send me a thief. Pink, you sure? Hold on, you're good.
Sugar boy, I say you're a thief. Me not fi trust around here, so.
So what me I do round then? I mean I put up me all round, sir? No man, this don't look good.
Pinky, you know something I left yourself?
No, me tell uncle saying chat too much. And that with him mean chat too much. He just like yap off in dirty mouth.
Up Auntie Merle toilet, me go borrow a while ago. I mean to tell me say, uncle come here, come chat up me more.
See uncle a sugar boy.
Uncle, me not like what I go on, you know. Uncle, me not like what I go on. Pinky tell me say, you are send me a thief. Me look like thief, uncle. Me have a thief no money. Me have a thief no money out of business. No, uncle.
Right now, bro, me can't bother with you so because yesterday even run good. No money now make, no money.
Uncle, me can't talk to me no man behind the back. When you see me in front of me, you laugh. And behind the back, you say me a thief. Which one? Choose now.
Who for that on your head?
This is mine.
Yeah, who for hat that on your head?
This is mine.
Your feet off your hat. And yours because you take it. When you take it now, I feel.
From where?
It become fear.
So hold on. Listen to me I say. Listen to me I say, uncle. You know, so styling to the pan.
Put it down in the stand.
Uncle, you know, so styling to the pan. Me not to the pan where you the pan, you know.
This is money, yeah. This is money, yeah.
So, I don't know what to say about him.
You make him take the money out of the shop and walk on the street? Eh? You a conductor?
Uncle, you know, so styling to the pan, uncle.
Me tell you this,
the pan where you the pan, you know, uncle.
You can't depend on the pan because a joke in the pan. You walk on the street and look like say,
You ever see nothing missing up a style?
Hold the money.
Could jump plum. Look, count the jump plum, the man count the tomato, them everything.
You turn me so against no one.
Hold the money, don't make him walk out with the money and show up it. Wait, you know what? You make things you make me feel like, hey, where you go? Stop us.
And we are big people and you can't do this.
It's not matter big people, but if you don't act like, yo, me tell you this. Sugar boy.
Give me back your money.
Sugar boy.
Uncle, you the man like sound
Sugar boy. Yeah. You hear me I say to you? Or you not hear me I say to you?
Man a fool, man.
Sugar boy, you hear me I say?
Yeah, yeah, man. Talk, man. Right
From
now,
you, what from you, there my yard and your piece bed. See?
Who
you mean?
So people in that place, man, they make them piece of man used to
Then
piss bed. How do you?
No, but from, you hear me I say?
Me never used to piss no bed. Man. Yo, uncle, yo.
You not take things serious, so that's a problem. You know?
Man.
Yo, don't make him come on my place.
No.
Don't make him come
You
here,
give
sir.
me place already, you come and start with.
Yeah, but if you might walk on with the money, I tear the damn money.
No, bro, put on your
Yo,
back.
left now.
Left what?
Me they put one
Sugar
cabbage
boy,
for
put on
yourself.
your
now.
back.
You can't pay him, don't pay him.
Listen me, I say.
Hold the money.
Oi. Listen me, I mean they put them a cabbage on yourself, you know. So I want them back, you know. I want to take back my 2 cabbage in the back.
I know what I'm going to do. Yes, when he yam out the place and the place broke down, you can't say never try help you.
Everything,
Me
man.
try help you.
You know, nobody now come by first, okay? Everything come embarrassment found. What this at?
Auntie Merle, you ever see me?
Me done with
you.
you.
Teeth not in front of
Me
yourself.
tell me do. Auntie Merle know everything. Auntie Merle just smile. You see you? Give me damn hat,
Yo, give me hat, man.
Give me hat.
No teeth, no hat.
Let me say it to me. You go to my damn house and take me hat off of the place. You see how you
But me tell you, pay feet. Me tell you.
Pay for what? How you pay for it? How you go pay for it?
Well, give me a little one, that man. I want you, man.
Alright, here I go. Me wash me hand off for right now. You see you? Do not do.
Yo, let me take up that. I'm cabbage and man. Some boy. Sorry, send me for call him uncle, you know, man. You see?
Bro.
Talk your talk, man. Cause you see, you
Bro.
know,
How much time me say, bro?
Talk your talk, man. Come
See the
on,
PC bed for
move.
you?
Eh?
You the PC bed for you?
Watch out, you know, say, you know, say me that drink liquor water and, you know, like when you drink water and look at something that's up on the sheet. That one, that you probably someone, let's see you.
You're too nasty, bro.
I don't really say that to
You're
nobody.
too nasty.
No, I told me they drink enough tonight.
Go. So you wash your hand when you go about
Me
you.
drink enough tonight, man. I mean, the kind of hand I'm in.
Anyways, look at that, bro. You know, see how uncle a go on. Trying to really good business for run.
Yo, listen, man. Hold on, I'm sitting there, I take up. You see me, the
Bro,
car,
me
this
no,
I so.
listen, me I go give you place a break to you know. So
What's
like
up,
how
man?
you take up face in them,
Take up, I'm sitting there,
just
man.
take up everything and go on with it. Cause me go give you place a break.
Yeah,
Me
man.
I go give the place a
Me
break.
I
Me can't believe say man come. I'm looking at nobody look
man.
for
I
me.
got turn soldier, you know.
Look at nobody look for me.
A soldier, me I
Big
go in a
shame
soldier
is
force,
this.
man.
Here's somebody over there so they say piece of bed.
No, not say that. You think none of you can stand me over here, sir? You feel like I'm here alone is a piss bed?
Customer.
I'm telling you, man.
Hello. Me there man, what go on?
That one send me, you know. One Donovan, man. I want some more of Irish onion, tomato, and one piece of pepper there.
Alright. What you say?
You want more of pepper?
Pepper?
Yeah.
How else?
Tomato. You see onion and Irish in there? Yeah.
Bro, boy, no snow look over there, so. I don't know where people ain't gone, you know.
Pepper did it.
Oh, yeah,
Go and take up yourself, man.
Here.
Alright, hold them down.
Okay. So what I know now? What I know now? Are you at church out the stall? Pinky, are you at church out the stall, Pinky? I'm making man come here, come cut the Pinky.
Sugar boy, no bother with it. What make this a stall and we full of so much passa?
Oh.
Sugar boy, listen.
Never see smoke without fire. Never see smoke without fire. Are you at church out the
Member say
stall?
I know me pissy bed.
If you did a piece, bed, it
Member say I know me a pissy bed.
Oi, me I'll tell him man, you know. Me I'll tell him man,
Listen,
man.
come on. Boy, me can't bother with yo.
Me I'll tell him man, cause
Always
you see yo.
one piece of crosses and destruction in my life. Come here, bro. Come here.
Are you at church out the stall,
Me
Pinky?
make you know what I go on. Come here. You know,
What
here
go on?
we sent a while ago.
What go on?
We sent Donovan. He done.
So me busy about Dan. You know, sister, you done boy, you donkey.
Bro, me
Come
know
on,
say
yeah.
my pay feed. Me know.
I'm
I know.
responsible for Dan, you know. Oh, cause you make people cry shame on me boy, you know. I make uncle call on shame for me. Now are you a cause, you know?
Sugar boy. It's like when
Don't come call my name. Don't come call my name, man.
bro. It's
Come
like
vex, you
when
know.
you grow and they so go shot the piece a while ago. You
Yeah,
lose your
tell everybody
senses.
what me go do
No,
around this.
you lose your senses. You lose your senses. You
Come
think
like
tell me make uncle come publish your business so you have piece of
You
bed.
should not trust nothing. I mean a supervisor for his stall. If you trust nothing, you have to go to me.
Why?
Yeah.
Who a supervisor?
So, tell me one thing you trust already. One thing you trust already and I write it down, Pinky.
So me have to write it down.
Oh, you mean? You know, so I write it down so I know one. I mean, I run the stall.
Hey.
No, me, I run it.
Why?
If your man come, if uncle come back here now, who you think him gonna blame? I think I you. Yo.
Sugar boy.
Don't come call me.
This is
I
the
see you
first
right
thing
now.
me trust for a morning.
You have set up my stomach, you know.
I know that come beat me.
Yo, me I go back up that and come
Must
back.
feel like say me making a no woman.
Go back up and tile it and come back. You see you?
Watch him. Can't we give people them rag? Sugar boy!
No call me here,
Love
man.
you! Bro!
How that?
And me up in the room.
Come in. How are you? Oh, I pray.
So why you have to back out? No.
You don't know
You
my
get
thing
this
come down
thing
already.
here.
Everything.
Check it for everything.
Here what? Hold on upon this.
So after all of this stress, when we go to what?
Me say, hold on upon that day. You don't need to question me. You want me, it too enough for you?
It too.
You want me take back something from you? It too enough for you? Remember some woman have to get something to you know. Remember some me have tried bad dog them out the road to give something to you know. So if you feel like it too enough for you, give me back 100 or 5 or 200. Yeah, I'm a talk here while I go on. Yeah, I want to give you something before I come back to you.
You know what? Nothing.
Hello. Yeah, I want to give you something before I come back. You know.
Listen, you see when.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yo, Donovan.
Yo,
Runa, man.
I pray I get the thing
I
them.
mean, daddy.
Are you want come?
Man. I hope you come.
I mean, I hope you come. You can't trust you, little boy. Now. Come on, man.
Come in. See, good
Come
to you.
in, bag.
So you move the bossy.
What you mean? After me not trust nobody nowadays.
Easy no man, I
I
mean I
cannot
did
say
no bossy
time
man, easy
around,
yourself
man. Yo,
man.
chef up that, man. Hurry up, man.
Alright, no more.
Trust you, man. Little boy. Look how him a move. Pull up your pants, too, man. I'm not going to bad man kitchen your pants. Look, so boy.
Later on again. But I feel like
Babes! So much.
so just make your dog get that then. Oh, go on, baby.
How are you going so?
No man, you know say some money transaction.
No, listen. Money transaction I deal with.
No man, I want money in car, come give me
So
all
why you no, but so what? Girl, get up on bed. Get up.
Babe,
Get
even
up.
babe,
What
that's
you
even
do?
a
You
babe.
see me coming and saw me attack and you sit down on my bed same way.
Babe, that's even
And money transaction I deal with. So why you never stand up out there and deal with it?
No, because in a room there, I tell her I say father and so I not deal with me thing out
Yeah,
the door.
stop it nice. Listen, girl, you know me not like it, you know. You know me not like it for a long time. Cause everybody man you love.
She can't love me. Because she knows say your head mad. I mean I deal with certain
Go on.
things. Watch
Come on.
out, hold on now. You see the thing there? Just make it general get here, you see me? I make him call me when he get here. Deal with it right now. Baby, you know what you need to
No,
calm down
listen.
yourself
You
now.
could deal with
Babe,
what you do
listen,
without a
listen.
door.
Come here.
Palm me bed.
Babe.
No, listen,
Babe,
me
come
not trust
here.
you, no.
Yeah,
Excuse. Me not trust you. Move no. Watch out.
Come here.
Me not trust you.
No man, I know nothing like that, baby. Listen, I say no man. You just come from work, baby, and you sad up yourself.
Yeah, this
Come
man
on, look
talk to
here.
you about.
Come here,
Listen.
look here. I happy me, I make you happy, baby. That thing me collect right now, you know. I'm to you, baby.
Dash more for me. Wait. Dash it for me. You know a song where...
Money badness, baby.
Yeah. You know a song where Tommy Lee sing? Meet me na the parking lot. Tabu. Come, dash it. Alright.
How was work?
Babes, me not tell you no
You say
lie.
all I go on and you ever cuss me and
Listen, me not tell you no
ease
lie.
off my
So
badness.
take up your rest. Come.
And I badness make we live lavish. Could it?
Listen. Babes,
Yeah.
the work now going with nothing.
You really need to worry about the work.
The business just slow. And today me down there. It done.
You who?
It done send one a film.
Film what?
Go get a fi come trust from the start. But
I ain't make them boy the trust from the start, babe.
no, listen.
You don't make them know say I want 2 guns badness.
Yeah, babes, me know, but listen, me know he don't up here for them.
Yo, babe, listen.
Because he more pay for it, but anyways, differently from that, he busy just slow, me not make no money, so when me see a dash out this spam, me not tell no lie.
Alright, so you want to go on and on.
My idea make.
Them a money, you know you can turn into one other business. Because right now, remember you tell me say you want to sell some clothes. So you know about want to do that again.
Me can't do that, yes, I make somebody stay in there, but remember I said that a business that my father left it for me and my brother.
I never say enough to do it, baby. You see me? But me just say you can have a clothes them see me and deal with it on the side. Because all heap of friend you have. But all I want to know, make sure say, then carry money come. Because I don't want to hurt somebody in a baby. Really and truly, I don't want to hurt somebody in. Them the boy enough to come run down program for you and trust nothing.
Them don't carry money come.
You sure?
Yeah.
You want me pay them for money in a day?
No need for that. Me I will get you money. I know first them I trust.
I'm going in
So-
right now. You see, I'm not going to mush down in the shower.
Come on.
Ah, boy, let's have a put on something in our place, boy. I think you're a man, boy. Uncle, what go on? Tell me a tell you, man. What go on, my uncle? I'm there, man. You know, so it's a reason, man. I say I come reason with you in my general. Because you know, so I have to reason from that day, because I say a bag of things are going down, so I don't like what go on, you know. You see me?
Alright,
Ah, Browning, sorry about that. Manners here.
it's to me.
Yeah. Watch out before you say nothing. A bag of things are going on the stall, uncle. I say, watch out. I feel like if you give me total controlment, I stall, you know. Because I see some things. You see, what do you when you fall down there? It's like I can't even blame you. I can't blame you, uncle. You think that what you said to me, I forgive you, brother. Because watch out. Me realize, I'm see out of my toe, yeah, them. Where the girl are do? I just saw they sitting them.
Hold on. You see she a trust how you sitting them?
Right front of me, eye.
How that? Huh?
Me say when me see me shop, me say, uncle.
You sure say a trust, you trust. What if a man pay for it and come back out with the money? You hear everything?
Uncle, man, come on. Uncle, them you think that me a feed that time me a fool?
Sugar boy, I'm telling you, sugar
Uncle,
boy.
that's cool, man.
Listen me I say. You feel say me can put you in control of that the place, eh?
Me feel feet, man.
She is a saver and you is a beggar. You spend. So if you go have a business and as you getting money, so you go buy bulla or you go buy juice, that's your belly are running every time. Eh? And then you know I drink too much drinks and when you go your yard, you know, piss before you go your bed. That's the problem. So me can see you know as somebody for run a business and that's the plain truth.
How can I fly them? How can I fly them up a yard, uncle?
What about the fly them?
Fly up, pitch up on me and sitting up as a man. I want to go on up as a man.
All me I say
Uncle, you me I say. You always a straight from the topic, you know.
Which is the topic?
You see when you fall down so other day, it's like me have up on a payments, you know. Because them things are history, you know. You bring me history come down the market, you know. I have to tap in, uncle. You bring me history come down, me no piss better again on them things, you know, boss. And you know that, you know. So when I reason it, just reason it straight now, uncle. Just reason playing on the ball field, you know.
Alright, I say. So alright, you know what? Cause me remember when me a walk off, you know, and that little girl I tell me if you go. Me a go make you run a business. Me a go make you run a business. Cause she too feisty.
Uncle, yo, then for general, man.
But you can't let me down, you know.
Let
Cause
them
you know
on.
how long me not collect a money, in
Uncle,
my hand.
Look at the man. What's that?
You know how long a money not go reach my palm?
Yeah, me I say no. You see by tomorrow, couple thousand I reach a pocket. Cause you see how me deal with the style now. Me deal with the style different. You see all the cabbage them? She sell them for $300 a pound. $400 a pound me I sell them for. So that's a ball game, uncle. Money I go reach a pocket, general.
I'm kind of nervous still, but yeah.
No man, nobody
call her and
nervous, man.
talk
Money
to
I
her.
reach a pocket, man.
Me a call her and talk to her. Yeah?
Yeah, man. Talk to him and tell himself low down the man. You see me?
Yeah, me I tell him to give place a break and
Give
thing.
place a
Cause
break,
you
man.
can't trust out the damn place, so.
You see him a go on with uncle. Yo, you see a little fool boy we forward there. But a dancing him. One night time me and go say, you know, like me and not go say, you know. And me have to stay say, you know. But a dancing him go to sit. Me say, yo, me feel me and I get up and me have to say, yo, sugar boy, hold on. I slap, me go slap him like, yo. And them the fool them a just out to sit in them again. Call him.
Alright. You see all them things, you can't have business and that and say phone. Hello?
Yes, uncle.
Listen what me I say to you. Either you hear it on the phone or you hear it in your ears when you link me up. You understand? I want the keys them. Can the keys them come give me? I don't want you to run the shop again. I think you're not suitable. You understand? Yeah, hear me. As me say, if you want to hear your ears, but walk with the key them.
Lock up that now that they use it. I'm telling man, uncle, man, you know, say, uncle, what you know? A long time if you run off the style, my uncle.
Alright, you are
Cause what you
going.
know, man,
You see the hat up on your head?
Yeah.
Want it back. So if you don't get the business, me want my hat. So you buy yourself your own damn hat. You understand me I say? Give me hat.
Uncle man, them not give one pay down.
Give me my
down
hat.
payment on the authority man.
Which
Man.
don't pay me for one shot.
Member say,
No, member say nothing. No payment no go for no hat.
A cheap bills me give up for
Cheap
you.
bills
I
for?
remember when
Hey.
you run a red dragon on the sir.
My call and
Just
change
cool
my
man, now you must uncle.
My call and change. Give me hat.
So
Give
you
me
can't
hat.
give me one
Give
little
me hat.
uncle.
Give me my hat.
Five.
5,
4.
4,
Man.
3, 2, yo, 1. And take time go on. Me will call you, make the key and make you pick it up. Sugar boy have a good day. And don't disappoint me, sugar. I saw you go. So. Don't disappoint me now.
I get the key them and deal with that time man. So I can't get it. Just watch out now. I can't get it uncle though.
Not today.
But watch out now. I have one girl who pre me and I say it look good and
Let's
two
make
Adidas
sure you know
and
say you run business now. So you will buy hat soon.
Alright, that's
Yes.
what I heard man. You see it?
Can't imagine. Well,
Uncle now
you
I'm like
guarantee-
a beer to them man.
What am I say? What am I say?
Go on.
So you man can't tidy the house.
You can't chat, sir.
Hey, woman, tell this.
Yo,
Yeah.
listen, calm down, man.
You take up woman and the woman can't clean.
Here,
No,
no.
no.
Leave me, I'm a woman business. Just calm down. Listen, man, just calm down, man. You're coming to me. You're coming to my business.
All the shit, look here, you want me to sit down on that?
So I'm going to come and watch it. If you have a problem with you, I'm going to
Me, you don't have a woman live with. You don't live in with a woman.
If you find problem with you fix it. I'm telling you, I'm not coming for that, man. I'm coming for me and talk and your mind different business.
Yeah, but me have to mind it because I'm here, go sit down on it. And my skin is if it scratch me.
Yeah, actually, I'm a woman can agree, make you go and find.
My skin is...
What wrong with it? What wrong with it? That day, my woman change the sheet and what wrong with it?
Yeah. Dirt. I'm sure me not blind. I'm sure you see dirt print out like this. Me all look like in that bun criminal on the sheet. Anyways.
I don't have time for that. What going on? For another day, I realize I pay hide me. You know. But I just want to know one thing. You see, when I'm a woman have your other day, like an argument. I know I make fake that you feel like you want to draw far from me, you know. I say you're there with me same way, you know. Not distance yourself.
About this?
I just make you know what I go and make, I don't know if that make you stay over this, so. And you know, see me if it over, yes, so.
Listen, you live with the woman, I'm in love with the woman, yes, sir. So me can just pop up, yes, sir.
It's no me I say. Me always call you and make you know when to pull up. So stop BS or you always text me and ask me, say, yo, if you can link me to there or whatever. So why excuse?
You link take time out.
You say all of it?
Nothing.
You say all of it?
Me not say nothing.
What you say about link?
Me not say nothing. I chat to really call me up as a chat.
No, I'm not.
Or a busy to call if you get down to. Come now want
long
two tan
time
in
I see you, so you know.
me no want two tan in the house or too long, you know. Come not too like in the house here.
Uncle, how happened?
I tell you what I'm not ready, you know. Alright, now ask you a question. The other day when I come out of the dirty stall, see? Where you keep up with all this nastiness and sin thing. When me I walk off, you ain't telling me stuff to go? Come here, cabbage some boy. And then you
If
tell,
me did tell us if it go,
and then you tell Sugar Boy, say, me not like that man there, you know. You remember I say it?
me?
I never you. That's somebody else I look at you. Hmm?
Me tell Sugar Boy
You
that.
tell me, say if he go and say and tell Sugar Boy, say, you know, so me like that man there. You remember I said that, no sure?
Alright, get to the point.
The point is, give me the key. Give me the key for the shop.
Why me go get a key? No, it come like say a joke in this. Why me go get a key?
Right now, me gonna tell you this. A sugar boy, me gonna make in charge of the place. And then you know you can work with him.
Sugar what?
Yes, sugar boy make in charge. Last time I
Sugar
come,
boy, you make in charge of what?
you feel say if you talk loud and talk over me, you feel like say you make more sense. Huh? You know my advice, Lord? Huh? Don't do that to me. The amount of investment me do for Uno. I you respect certain things. All it hurts me like some four rules. Eh? I don't understand what I want, but you need to know this. What you
Next
do?
one question.
What you do? What you
You
do?
look like me a shake.
What you do? Just tell me what you do.
You look like me a shake.
Just tell me what you do.
You load up your mouth for me like you feel like me a lick up it. What your problem? Why you want about the key?
You're not fit for my business.
Oh,
to run out there.
so hold on there. What you thinking, sugar boy, if you feel fit for it?
Yes, because I come out the catch you asleep. And you claim say that they I say, see it out, see it out, see it out, see it out. Like
That's our question what sugar boy can't tell us say.
Sugar boy can't tell me nothing. Sugar boy tell me the truth of what I want.
Sugar boy no can't tell us nothing. So how you would I get back this?
This is for me, not for sugar boy.
So basically I say me asleep.
Yeah.
Me no fit feet.
Yeah.
Me tell her fi go.
Yeah.
And what else?
And you say that rate this a money. This a money. Cause when you the
listen.
You want to see me at the corner. I listen. I peep and see what I want. I'm say to myself, say, no, how dare me sacrifice myself for somebody like you.
Alright, listen. Cause you feel like say when I load up a mouth, I feel like I'm free. Listen. You see if I shop on the want,
Yeah.
wanna take the shop and go and take it near me, take it show me. Hey, me don't want to get disrespectful to you.
At that I think. Me, yeah, man,
Take it near me and full in the belly.
Be a truth damn self.
I don't know make no money. If me know this or that, me them could know. So you see the key,
Yeah.
you can take it and near me to your sugar boy. You must feel like me like you know.
That
You
is
know,
it.
I don't want to tell you what you
That
go
is
here.
it, man. This is
Oh.
the truth. This is the truth, you.
I don't want to tell. I don't want to tell you and dirty stinking sugar boy if you got cho.
I know that. You see you? You not make it.
Yeah, sugar boy broke and hungry.
Then go beat you up out the road because you just out the shop. Eh? But people are come. You're tired, man. You have no manners. And what that you do?
Oi, let me tell you something. You
Oh, yeah,
see, if I name me uncle, me take this and box in your face with it. You must feel like I'm afraid of you, sugar boy. I feel like I'm afraid of you, sugar boy.
Alright.
Eh?
Alright.
Say something more again.
Me not say nothing.
And I say nothing.
Not say.
Me say if me can't get sugar boy right, that's something length out this side of your face. I say for it big, it turn for it big like a what? Turn ugly like a bullfrog. Me say yeah, sugar boy, no, hey. Unu na go make it. And you tell me say me na go make it.
Hold on pan a stone there, you know. Hold on pan a stone there.
Oi, you don't even know where you just tell me if you do a while ago, you know. Care about your key. Come like say you're sick in your head. So upon my face, I left me. I go show you and sugar boy see. Me say me go show you something.
You accuss God anointed.
Me, I go show you and
You
sugar boy.
accuss God anointed. Mind before the day and the sun done. Easy.
You know what? I left your place.
Mind before the sun done, them beat you up here. Father God, thank you. Sugar boy. Sugar boy. Where you say that? Yeah, man, sir, I'm sure, man. Yeah. Forward. Me get the key, man. Me get the key. All right. What a good decision me make. If you have that key, I get left a good, man. I'm a boss now. I'm gonna tell you. Well, go on, my tap uncle. My tap uncle, man. I want to tell you, man. I'm general, man. For real. So you say I go on now? Yeah, well, I go on. I get the key for her, but for real. She showed me one side of what me never expect. But at the end of the day, no, me know see her social time. Tell me not tell you, uncle. Your face are joke me there, make. See key here.
Man,
care.
as a... Yeah!
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, yo, what you do? Careful. What's your young girl in hot job?
Uncle, but yeah, dirty up your man, aren't you, man?
You may say no.
Mm.
Just organize yourself, run the thing,
Yeah.
and all of that. Me really want have no long conversation with you right
Yeah.
now because it's
For
a long, you have a long day
Mm-hmm.
and thing. But I can't believe her. She's very violent.
Yeah, man, them not tell a man say you're violent, man.
Very violent. Before it's
Violent.
done.
I know that, man.
I see her drunk or fly on that sky there right now.
Eh.
Me I tell you right now, she go on away. Me never expect that from her still. Me not lie.
I'm not tell a man, say you watch a man, I'll fight him, pop down the man and me have
Eh.
to part. Yeah, down in the market, the same speed, man.
Down there, sir.
That's why you see Auntie Mardy. That's why in top shop with we on Saturday, you know.
Yeah, cause she see her with the she cut her off for me.
Yeah, them not tell us right now she have as butter. See cause she.
No,
And me have to stay so about other day and hold Auntie Mardy and stay so. Auntie Mardy, come by for us, please. And hold her ready prayer with her and stay so room. Auntie Mardy start by from me again, uncle. So me tell you right now, enough customers you gonna get enough from me with a Kia. Everything, Auntie, come on.
Let's run the thing, run the
Yeah,
thing,
man,
run the
for
thing.
real, man.
Come on, go a place and go post a letter. Yeah.
I to go, uncle.
Yeah, to go.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Give me.
Can I get a down payment and I'll stay with
Right now?
Yeah.
All right, give me 3,000.
3,000. Uncle, you have to cost
A
so much, man.
$7,000 me pay for the hotel. What you talking about? $7,000.
And Adidas the
When
real.
is Adidas the real? Hey, take your fake self out of my house.
Alright, hold on, man.
Eh?
I give you a down payment for your tongue. Come here, tell her, say, yo, come one girl see me the other day and I say, yo, you sugar boy, you're nice, you know? You see me? So weekend now, I get something else for you, you know? How am I stay?
You still like you owe me. Go so.
Uncle, big up yourself, you know,
Yeah,
man.
man, go
'cause-
so, man.
Yeah, man, business is a boom, man.
You know, make sure, say, last the key.
Yeah, and watch you now.
Hey,
Mm.
when you go, Miss Mildred toilet down back there. Don't let the
Me
key.
no use you want to say again,
Me say,
General.
don't let the key down there. You
Yeah.
understand me? I say? And as a matter of fact, I don't know how to tell you this, but tap good on you go shit up a problem place.
Brother, with the uncle, man, you see me do that?
All right.
Uncle, you don't see
Right
a bright and what all them while do.
Right now, I'm going to post a letter, so look come on, see?
Go and go do what you do.
All right, yeah.
Yeah, man, sometimes.
Don't let me
You
down.
don't name uncle, no go on like no bigger than people, man. How far condom this? Baby. Yo, me a boss and I wanna baby right now me have all my key and me and sitting on red, you know. Yeah man, me run up and stall and sit for myself you know, baby man. Yeah, so me a come check here now. Me have some ground producer more you get same speed, you know. That's a ball game, baby man. Me a forward now, yeah? Yeah.
103 out. Yeah, they guy have a white baseball cap on. Not at the time. But they said they both say mid-20s, kind of light one, yeah. Light brown, yeah. We had them on deck.
Pinky, come here, girl, come here. Come here.
Awa.
But what? You don't want to know, say. Me I say me I come over here while I go come beg a little salt. And me say me I take on the corner, you know. And the dirty girl, Amanda, that me see they come out. Me fi just back so. When me look at Amanda, and your man a come out to your house.
Hold on there, hold on there.
Hold on, what? Hold on,
Amanda as in Amanda.
Yes. I take your man. And me that one, yo. Me that one along, you know. And then you want
Jesus
here.
Christ, you give me heart failure.
Yeah, drop down. Can the girl take your man? Me tell you, you know. You come like something wrong with under there, so under your foot, your man a give you bone.
Kayla, hold me.
Let me hold you.
Kayla, hold me.
Yes. Me I hold you for true.
Let me go now. Cause we can't tell me say, you don't even know we can't tell me say.
Say man a give
What
you
end
bone.
there? What end
You see
there?
them walk out, I don't know where they go. They walk out. How me gonna know where they go?
I just saw the girl pass. I just saw me all the way there.
Okay then, me don't pass away to you too. Up and wait.
Yes, so me a wait.
Me tell you say what the Ananita foot now work with a grippy boy good.
Are you?
I mean you want
I wonder your foot.
Hello?
I wonder your foot now work. Now bright
Me
yourself,
never know,
girl.
man.
Oh.
I say if you push the girl, they take your man. Go look for the girl and beat
I
her,
hear
take
some
your
me a
man.
lay
You
with
want
the
come
girl
bar
because the
with
girl
me?
don't know herself.
I can't walk over with
Me
me.
catch the girl in the room other day, you know. But her money business I'm a deal with and me jerk her. And she a tell me man no.
You don't know sense. What girl do in your house about money business?
Alright, no
You
problem.
stupid man.
Right, that's how me a lay with the girl.
If you go back a man's school.
Watch out.
Yeah, they gave him a white baseball cap on. Not at the time. But they said they both say mid-20s, kind of light blonde hair, light brown hair,
And when me I look for you, what is that? Bill na. Bill, what is that? Calm down now.
Let me go now.
Calm down now. Just calm down now.
What did I do me?
Wait, what do you mean on me? Calm down now, man. Calm down now. Go on, man. Yo, go on, man.
Hey, one again, you know.
Easy now. Baby, easy now, man. Go on, girl.
What did I do me?
What do you mean this, if I this way? You know, see me, I look here.
And this
On the
side of
road,
me?
me the daddy, you sit me.
What did I do me?
Babe, calm down now, babe. Calm down now, babe.
Let me go. We done.
What do you mean by we done?
We done. Let me go.
So all of this, so what you talking
Let me go.
What you talking about? What you talking about?
Alright, girl, I must hold you.
Come on now, go down, go talk. I don't know what you talking about. You let off my shot now, man. What I'm telling you? Come on now, go down. Come on. Yo, why problem?
Listen to me.
Why problem? And that me ask you, why problem?
Listen to me.
Me not like you bag of knife on the road and people are
Yo.
looking for me in the road.
Me not sit down on the side now.
What you mean you not sit down on this? What you mean with that? So now me sleep on it, so you mean you not sit down on this?
Listen to me. Where you and the girl do over here, so?
What you mean me and the girl do over here? You did see me over here? What me tell you something that do today? Talk to me. What me tell you something that do
Stop
today?
act like a child.
What you mean act
Where
like
you
a
and the
child?
girl do over here?
Me and the girl never over here. Me alone it over here. If I road me come from.
You want to look in
Me
my
all
eye?
look for you and then me come over here and there I go and normal and then my mind say, yo, touch out on the road and me touch out on the road and me see you and the girl that fight.
Anytime I tell lie, I see your eye then go.
What you mean that's on the eye then go?
See your eye then go.
Yo, me
You want to look for me and tell me one more lie. And you see if me not make a rise up your gun.
So what you see
Eh?
me do? What me always do? No look me and look and you want me to turn me my face and
Ask her one question. Why you go mix with the girl and I don't like her? You could go
Me
mix
look
with somebody else.
Me look like blender.
You're a blender, you're a salt, everything you're in. Why make you never go mix with somebody else out there?
Brother, you accuse me of things I don't know
Who
about.
accuse you?
No you.
Who accuse you?
Man, I'm telling you, man.
Come and miss me, Lassie.
Yo, easy.
Come and miss me, Lassie.
Easy no man.
You see
Oh,
it?
I'm telling you, man, easy.
You do something.
What you mean me do something? Me not
You
like
do
you, you
something.
accuse me. Smelly. Cause that you want to, smelly.
Hold on there. You really cheat for me. I know how they smell, you know. And that the girl they don't smell good at all. No, hold on. Let me unlucky.
Where you go? What you mean lucky?
I go pack up my things them.
Yeah,
You're too little bit and out of
let's deal.
No, listen now.
Bill.
Listen now, stop. You're too little bit and out
Yo,
of
don't talk about this.
Me I go left for yard for some
Don't
time.
talk about
Bill
this.
no me I go down on my brother yard. Me I go left for
We can't
yard.
talk about this. We can't talk about
Talk to me. You do it or not? You do it or not?
Alright, Bill, I'm gonna tell you the truth. As I tell you something there, I'm gonna deal with some business, right? And there, I don't know, I just feel drowsy, I just feel tired and drained. And I just drop asleep. 3 days there also, where there is some money transaction. And when I go so, I wake up and I see her on top of me. I have to ease her off and say, girl, what you do? I have one woman, you know. And she said she don't care and then Alright. I just whole heap of foolishness go on.
I use condom. When should it come from? When she come on top of you? Or whatever she come off for you wake up and you see her.
Not talk
You
about
use
that
condom?
No, just not talk about that.
You use condom, yes or no? Because me calm, you know. You see how me calm? You use condom, yes or no?
Everything happen quick, man. Yeah, just calm. Just calm.
Hold on,
Where?
hold on, hold on.
Where?
Hold on. Hold on.
Where?
You know what
Where?
I say?
You're not easy. Where?
You know what I say? Yeah, play with me. Let go
Calm
off of
down,
me.
calm
Let go off of me.
Yo, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Come in on.
You know say? Yeah, play.
Calm down. Be calm down. Don't want you.
Me I left you. Me say me dey left you.
What you mean? You think you can left me?
Me I left you.
If you're tired of me, you go sleep.
If me tired, me go sleep.
That's easy, no
My
man.
me a sleep. Adi, me not done here.
Calm down, no man.
I see a plan for do me.
Calm down, no man.
I see a plan for do.
Calm down. I know I'm wrong, so that's why I leave out. Kill
I
up
see a plan
myself.
for do
Calm
me.
down, no babe.
Eh?
Calm down, no man.
What me do for deserve this?
Just me tell you, say it's just a mistake. Everybody make mistake, you know.
What me do for deserve this?
I know me do it.
Just excuse. Excuse
Me-
no,
me-
me not
me
really
a-
want to fight now.
And
Just
she just
excuse.
sticky. You get it?
Long time.
Yeah, that's easy.
If me get tea, and you make me a long time. Mom, if you ask if you get tea, you get tea?
Yo, I don't see an easy yo. Yo,
We left. Crosses. Me a lock you out. I will not no lock. Man, dash out the things them drunk bro.
where's your wallet? Where are
Make
you? This are story. Yo, stop playing. Stop playing. Yo, go sit down over this. Where are you? Calm down yourself, man, and stop ramp up with me, yo. I tell you, something, I know, say I'm wrong, and I want me just get up and take it. From the girl, like girl, just take it. I'm a give her.
If you give me bun, you come beat me up for your dirty waist girl, eh? You beat me up for your waist girl, it's alright.
Just calm down.
No man, it's alright, go on.
Just calm down.
Go on, I gotta make my brother kill you.
What? Where's your while? You want me to your brother? Where's your while ago? You want me murder your brother? Don't make that come out of your mouth again. It come like you want me to go you out. You want me to kill you? Yo, it makes sense my left hand, okay? Me have damage and I don't want to do nothing in you. It makes sense my left hand. Here. Don't ramp with my clothes then.
Come on, go on.
103 out.
Drunk.
Yeah, they gave him a white baseball cap on. Not at the time, but they said they both say mid-20s, kind of light blonde hair, light brown hair. We had him on deck. He looked like
You don't know say girl named Pinky, you know Pinky will have a style, but I market. Just gang me a while ago and beat me, see all my foot cut. I'm not doing nothing.
So Pinky, you know your badness already? Yo.
I threw me slide and drop, you know. I threw me slide and drop a cut off the whole of my foot.
Come I think come give him a page, you know, man. Yo. How Pinky really a deal with Georgie?
So me I take car man and me not take car man.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Man.
And me high already.
Come like King Pink come send him home, you know, man. What am I deal with? Now you know what you do? I'll have to think them for me, yeah?
Alright.
We'll send him home.
Alright.
No Pinky, Pinky you know say, yo, man, sick, you know, man. What am I deal with? Alright, everything go good. I never send him home, I look with Father God, man. I really like.
Boy, me can't believe how this puppy done do me.
Oi! What you woman have?
So you're a friend of me, so I'm not like
You
you're
me a friend of me, so Pinky. What you deal with
It's
Pinky?
just a friend of me, so like
Yo,
you're scarecrow
what
or
you
something.
woman have?
Remember when my woman have, what she can't tell us say?
Woman tell me say beat her up on the road and haul her, pull her and the king cut up.
Hey, look at you too.
What kind of man you come and argue me
Look
about,
at you and she. I'm gonna beat her again.
Beat her again.
Me say
Pinky,
me
me
beat
no beat
her
woman no
again.
pinky, but me left sitting on the outside no pinky.
Left sitting over here, left sitting in your
Pinky. Me
hey.
rampant badness in no pinky.
Let me tell you something.
You know.
Come out of me yard and go on. Go on, erase yourself. Ocha, must you feel like me afraid that you now you're done. You are your done can go damn shit.
In real life, alright. Remember for you no beat woman, you know. But me have something for you. Remember that.
Have something for you. Boy, and go have something for your girl. Dirty foot.
Yo, you see your cast. Dude, you see your cast. See me have me told a difference in your hair. Just remember that.
Oh, my neck.
Your neck. One ball, man.
Whoa, my head. Oh, me can't move. Help. Help.
Yo,
Babe.
who did this, sir? Who did this, sir? One to you. You good?
It done right on.
Yo, me tell you if you no left yard, you left yard in a youth.
Him box me down, boy, me beat up him girl.
Come. Boy, you. So I'm to you.
Him box me down.
So blood one, man.
Yeah, they can't have a white baseball cap on. Not at the time. But they said they both say,
Oh, go on further.
kind of like one, yeah.
Then I want Donovan there.
How I go on?
I get link me the link it out to give me one page still in here, see me cause
Page.
yeah.
What kind of page you talk about?
Never say book page, and that me I talk about. Me tell you me come link it out, so what a problem?
So what kind of page you talk about?
So me come to Donovan. Me have to tell you when me come to him for. Where the pan, father?
What do you mean by where the pan?
I'm tell you dog, gonna fi ease on yourself from there saying dog.
You daddy?
I'm tell you.
How you
I
daddy?
come for take your 3 pints and how you feel like?
3 pints.
You feel like man afraid that none on around us dog.
You
You can't ramp with no man and feel like it all go
Daddy.
Eh?
How you do it,
Girl, but I have to explain to my man why me I come out of here this hours a night. So come, what you say? Mama, my man serious. At 5 o'clock door lock. What you talk about? What you say?
Right now, I don't feel good, you know.
What do you? Somebody dead for you?
No, I feel weak, man.
You there by your cycle?
No.
What? You dying?
Something like that. But, I know that.
You have cancer?
Me think me...
You have sugar?
Yeah, let me talk.
Oh, talk. But you take too long.
Girl, calm down, man.
I hope you work my time, you know. So talk.
Me feel like I'm pregnant.
You preg who? Pregnant? Or pregnant?
Pregnant.
What come up on the test? One stroke. No, goody, one stroke meaning I'm pregnant.
A 2, girl.
A mistake, go again. Who you breed for? Who you breed for, mama?
I don't know.
You know, so me know who you breed for, but me can't believe you go breed for him. After me tell you, don't go big star mongrel, you can create pitney. What you plan to do? You name it or you carry it?
I am not a killer, miss.
I don't know.
I tell you, me I'll carry my pitney.
And suffer.
If me I suffer, my pitney not suffer.
Mama, you suffer.
Me I carry my pitney, mama.
Mama, you see if you go carry him, be careful. Here, remember say having woman. You see no? Me see things, me just not come out and chat, cause my man a serious man. And will box down me backside. But so right now, you can't depend on one right now. Me not really want to get involved. You see it. All thing me can tell you is Good luck and don't make the little mother catch you. Because if she catch you, I'm gonna say they breed for fear, man. A problem. So right now, me they go down to my man later because me can't help you, no. Me can't help
Me not
you.
even see sense me call you out. Go
Me
on.
not see sense see that mama later.
Go on to your man, cause your man tete. Go on.
Me rather be man take it than be idiot
You
because
never
your
say
man...
tege, me say tete. Go on.
Your man tete for man we have him personal woman and I left her. You go on, yeah. My man have me alone. If me tell my man jump in,
Oh,
ask
you
me
so
how
sure.
I. At 5 o'clock we door lock.
103, yeah. Yeah, that guy have a white baseball cap on.